Welcome back to our medical mystery. We are doctors trying to answer the question, what is happening in McKenna's body that's making her feel sick? We have figured out that McKenna's problem is connected to her small intestine in her digestive system. We looked at what happens to food molecules as they move through the digestive system and come out as poop. We saw that in a healthy digestive system, poop is made mostly of water and fiber. Our bodies do not break down fiber and digest it. It passes through our bodies and comes out in our poop. We saw that in a healthy digestive system, glucose and complex carbohydrates seem to disappear. So this is the large intestine, which is right after the small intestine. And in a healthy body, there's no glucose and no complex carbohydrates. But McKenna's body has a lot of glucose and also a lot of complex carbohydrates. We think that this might be causing McKenna's symptoms. Today we will investigate why do glucose and complex carbohydrates seem to disappear in a healthy digestive system. This will help us better understand why glucose and complex carbohydrates are not disappearing in McKenna's digestive system. Here's the important vocabulary for today. Increase means to go up. Decrease means to go down. Chemical reactions are when atoms rearrange to form a new substance. So here we can see the iron and the sulfur are combining or rearranging to form a new substance. When we talk about chemical reactions, it's important to remember that some chemical reactions happen when atoms combine, but some chemical reactions also happen when atoms break down or they separate. Last, glucose and complex carbohydrates are molecules found in many foods. Let's go over how to complete today's assignment. Make sure you're in print layout or make sure you fit the document to your screen. First, you'll summarize what we've learned by typing the words from the word bank in the blanks. Next, you'll eat a cracker and think about what's happening in your mouth. If you don't have a cracker, watch this video. Then we'll think about what happens in the mouth. You will look at this graph, which shows the food molecules that are in a graham cracker and then the food molecules that are in your mouth after eating a graham cracker. Fill in the table below to look at if each molecule increases, decreases, or stays the same. For example, water is the same, so I would put an X here. Then you'll watch a 4-minute ed puzzle about spit and you'll answer some questions. You'll need to remember what a chemical reaction is for these questions. Finally, you'll share your thinking about what you learned today on Google Classroom. Make sure to reflect on the learning targets and press turn in when you're done.